If we try to apply the previously said formula, which is some people have curly black hair to present beauty, on exercise first, we are having the question number first as we are given a triangle ABC, right angle at B. BC is equal to 7 centimeter and AB is equal to 24 centimeter. We have to find sine A, cos A, sine C and cos C. Before solving the question, we are seeing here that we are given only two sides of a triangle, and we know in class 9th we have studied that in right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Till now we are not talking about any angle, either A or C. So we can take AB as base as well as perpendicular and BC as base as well as perpendicular. So hypotenuse, we know it is exactly opposite to the angle B, which is a right angle. So hypotenuse is equal to AC, and base we can take it AB as well as BC. So it's up to us. Let's take it AB and perpendicular is BC. AC square is not given. AB is 24, BC is 7 square. AC square is equal to 24 square, 576 plus 7 square is equal to 49. AC square 576 plus 49 is equal to 625. AC is equal to root 625. AC is equal to 25 centimeter. So the first thing you have to make sure that you have all the three sides given. We were given only two sides. By applying PGT, Pythagoras theorem, we are able to make and find the third one. So our third side is 25. If we are going to check what we have to prove, what we have to find, we are going to find sine A and cos A. So the angle which we are talking about is A, and in the next part the angle is C. So for angle we keep it updated with all its perpendicular and base and hypotenuse for only angle A, so that we can easily calculate sine A and cos A. For angle A, its opposite side is BC, so perpendicular is BC. Adjacent side is AB, so base is AB, and hypotenuse is AC, because it is the opposite of angle B, which is 90 degree angle. For angle A, we are updated for its all three sides, BC, AB and AC, which is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Let's talk about angle C, because we are asked to find sine C and cos C. So angle is C. For angle C, we keep it updated for all its three sides. For C, its opposite side is AB, so perpendicular is AB. Base is, its adjacent side is BC, so base will be BC and hypotenuse is AC. Now, let us go to the question. We have to find sine A. If we go through the table, sine, cos and tan, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, base divided by hypotenuse, perpendicular divided by base. Sine is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. And for angle A, perpendicular is BC. For angle A, hypotenuse is AC. And BC is given 7 centimeter and AC is given 25 centimeter. So sine A is equal to 7 divided by 25, which we were asked to find. Sine A. Now second one is cos A. cos is equal to base divided by hypotenuse, and base for angle A is AB, and hypotenuse for angle A is AC. AB is 24 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. So cos A is equal to 24 divided by 25 centimeter. This was first two things which we were asked to find. Now we have to find sin C, and we know that sin is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. For angle C, the perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB is equal to 24, AC is equal to 25, so sin C is equal to 24 divided by 25. The next thing which you are asked to find is cos C. Cos is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Base for C is BC and hypotenuse for C is AC. BC is 7 centimeter, AC is 25 centimeter. So cos C is equal to 7 divided by 25. So to solve these type of questions, you have to keep in mind that you should be able to find these three for a particular angle which you are being asked about. For example, we are being asked about angle A, so we have to keep it updated with all the three sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. We are asked about C, and we have to keep it updated with all its three angles, and we should keep in mind that this trigonometric table, which is easy to memorize in the form of a sentence. Some people have curly black hair to present beauty. So to solve all these type of questions, you need to keep in mind these 3 points. To find the sides of all, to find all the sides for a particular angle, and second one is this formula table. Let's take another question, so to make it clear for you guys. We are going through a bit difficult question from this. Question 3. We are given sin A equal to 3 by 4. We have to find cos A and tan A. In this question, we are not being given a triangle. We are only given sin A equal to 3 by 4, and we know that sin is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So we should keep in mind that we are given perpendicular and hypotenuse. So let's make a triangle. This angle is A, so the angle which is given, you have to keep it. You have to keep it acute angle, not a right angle. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. We are given here angle A, so for angle A, let's keep it updated with all its three sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. For angle A, the perpendicular is BC. For angle A, the base is AB. For angle A, the hypotenuse is AC. We are only asked about here for angle A, not any other angle like C. So we have to keep angle A updated with its perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. We know that sin A is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. As some people have curly black hair to present beauty. Sin is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is equal to 3 and hypotenuse is equal to 4. And we have keep it updated before. P is equal to BC, so BC is equal to 3. And hypotenuse is AC, and AC is equal to 4. So at this stage we are known only two sides, with only two sides of a triangle, that is BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 4. Now in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here hypotenuse is AC, base is AB, and perpendicular is BC. AC is 4, AB is not given, BC is equal to 3. 4 is 16 is equal to AB square plus 3 is 9. 16 minus 9 to gets converted into minus 9 is equal to AB square. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 is equal to AB square. Square will convert into root, gets converted into root, so it will become AB is equal to under root 7. Square root 7. So to proceed the questions, we have first make sure about the three sides of a triangle. We have to find all the three sides of a triangle, then go to solve the questions. Let's see what we are going to asking about to find. We are asked to find cos A. Cos is equal to base divided by hypotenuse, and base at the time of angle A is equal to AB, and hypotenuse at the time of angle A is equal to AC. AB here is root 7 and AC here is 4. So cos A is equal to root 7 divided by 4. Now we are asked about find tan A. Tan A is equal to perpendicular divided by base, and perpendicular is BC, base is AB. So BC is equal to 3 and AB is equal to root 7. So tan A is equal to 3 by root 7. So just observe the things. What should we keep in mind to solve these questions? I will continuously say to you that you have to keep updating an angle with all its three sides, and you have to memorize this table or this sentence so that you'll easily able to solve the questions. Let's directly move on to question number 6. Because question number 3, 2, 4 and 5 are all of the same type which we have solved before. Question number 6 is, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, show that angle A is equal to angle B. We are given here A, B and C. It says that A and B are acute angles, so this is acute angle and this is acute angle and this will be right. We are given here cos A is equal to cos B. We have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. For this question, we have to find the angles which we are talking about is A and B. So we have to keep angle A updated with its perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. And similarly for angle B, for its base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. For angle A, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. For angle A, this is the perpendicular BC. Base is equal to AC because its adjacent side, hypotenuse will be AB. For angle B, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. For angle B, the perpendicular is AC, base is BC and hypotenuse is AB. In this question we are given cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. Cos is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. For angle A, base divided by hypotenuse is equal to AC divided by AB is equal to. Cos B is also equal to base divided by hypotenuse, but for angle B we have BC divided by AB. AB will get cancelled out. AC is equal to BC. So AC is equal to BC. And in class 9th, theorem 9.2, we have read about it that if a triangle has two equal sides, then the opposite two angles will also be equal. So for angle BC, the opposite angle is A, and for angle AC, the opposite angle is B. So angle A is equal to angle B.